So I've seen a few special offers in my time at MTD, but this one could qualify as being one of the best. This is a wheelie 5-axis machine. Now this is some spec and some price, in fact less than £100,000 for this machine. This is a 4+1 machine. It's got a 40 station tool magazine. It's got a 12,000 RPM direct drive spindle with 18.5 kilowatts of power. It is a BBT 40. It's got coolant through the spindle with a standard tank of 20 bar through the spindle coolant. It's got a Losma mist extraction system. It's got a Blum TC52 spindle probe and an IR tool probe. And it's all got, it's also got coolant flood wash, swarf augers left and right to get rid of that excess or the machine's material. All of what I've just told you and all of what you can see is available for under £100,000. It's got the Fanuc Series OI MF control. It's a 4+1 5-axis machining centre. It's on special offer for under £100,000. Since Whitehouse have been supplying the wheelie machines, they've put a lot into the UK market, proving to be a very heavy-duty, robust machining solution. Get your hands on this 5-axis and all that kit for under £100,000.